In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to accept friend requests on Facebook after 5,000 friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you weren't aware, Facebook has a limit where you can only add up to 5,000 people as friends on your personal profile. Of course, the easiest solution to this is that once you reach 5,000 friends, all that you would have to do is to go over here, find one friend, delete them, which would make space for another one. So as long as you keep deleting people, you can always bring in one new person. But let's say you don't want to delete anyone. Is there a way to bypass the 5,000 friends limit? Well, directly no, but there is sort of a workaround or alternative option. What you can do is turn on professional mode. As you can see here, your profile's follower setting will be set to public, so anyone on Facebook can see your public content in their feed. You can still share privately with your friends. You can get paid for your content if you are eligible, insights, and so on. Of course, the main purpose of this mode is if you have a business or you are somewhat of a figure and you need your profile to be public so others can arrive at your profile, see posts, and so on. If you want other random people to keep up to date with you, you can enable professional mode. So you click on the option here. And now, alongside the add to friend button, there will be a button to follow you. So whenever someone visits your profile, they will see the button to follow you, which essentially acts as a friend because the follower will see all of your posts. You will not have them added directly, but it is still a consideration to make if you really want to give others the opportunity to see your posts and still be in touch with you. So all that you need to do is go over to your profile and enable professional mode. There's nothing else to do once it is enabled. Random people who visit your profile will be able to see the follow button here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.